I've been documenting the power of algorithmic trading, and I've been tracking all of its performance in a series for you guys, and quite frankly, everyone's enjoyed it. In fact, it's our most popular series yet, and if you haven't watched it, this is it up above. But in this video, I'm actually not going over my software. In this video, I'm going over the CEO, Jeff's algorithmic trading software and tracking his performance. He gave me MyFX Book Link, which is a third-party verifier that tracks all of the data. Without further ado, let's get straight to it. Welcome. If you're new to the channel, my name is Matt Jimenez. I'm an entrepreneur who has worked with the greatest minds in finance, and I'm here to pour into you guys everything that they pour into me. And in this video, we're going to go over something that is extremely interesting in comparison to what I have been doing. So like I said in the beginning of this video, I've been doing a journey documenting $50,000 in an account that trades utilizing the FedBot software. And in this video, I'm not doing my account, I'm doing the CEO's account. And this is his MyFX Book Link, which we will be going over all the data. But the more important thing to note with this is, in comparison to my account that I'm tracking, I haven't adjusted any of the risk. And actually, I have my settings below the standard risk that typically comes with the software. And what you want to do generally is, once your account size continues to grow, obviously you want to adjust your risk to help offset the amount that you should be earning in relative to your account size. So that's what he's been doing. As his account grows, he actually bumps up his position sizing. And of course, none of this is financial advice. I shouldn't have to say that, but it's the truth. These are our own financial decisions. This is never recommended advice. But with all that being said, let's see what happens when you take full ownership over the risk department of your software and you actually make the adjustments that you should as your account grows. Okay, so here we go. We have the FedBot. As you can see, his leverage is a little bit different than mine. His is 1 to 200. I believe mine is 1 to 500. So this account was started December 27th of 2022, and today's date is May 13th of 2024. And in that time period, this account has done a 412% gain. That is insane. I actually don't know another asset that performed that well. As you can see, his monthly is 10.22%. That's his average. Down below, his biggest drawdown he's had was 21%. And his daily gain is 0.33%. The balance when he started the account was $24,940, and he's actually withdrew already the initial of $25,000. So right now he's basically playing with house money, but his total profit he's made is $88,129. That is crazy. So he's taken out his initial, and he's already made his initial many times over in the account. And this was updated 4 hours ago on May 13th. This has been updated with all accurate data. Now let's do a bit of a deeper dive on everything that we see here. So far today, he's done 0.03%. This week, 0.04%. The month, he's done so far 1.3%. And this year so far, he's done 16.91%, so almost 17%, which is a profit of $12,738 this year that he's made utilizing this software. Let's scroll a bit down. Here is where we could see a little bit more of the nitty-gritty data revolved around this. So since he started this account back in December, this account has done 11,294 trades. Now imagine trying to be an investor or a manual trader over a 2-year period, trying to execute on 11,000 trades. That would be a standard full-time job plus OT, just pressing the button, let alone finding them. His profitability out of those 11,000 plus trades is 75% profitable. So he wins 75% of the time, which obviously means he loses 25% of the time. So he's actually won 8,495 trades out of the 11,000 and some change. And he's lost 2,700 trades out of the 1,100 and some change. The average PIP win is 19.8. His worst trade in dollar terms was $270, and his best trade in dollar terms was $2,251. His average loss was 58 pips. And over here, the profit factor, which is extremely important to look at when you're evaluating how performance really is doing. Because again, if you don't know what profit factor is, to put simply, it's basically how much you're willing to gain in comparison to how much you're risking. So here, he's basically gaining 2 for every 1 that he risks. In lingo terms, this is the risk to reward ratio. Typically, traders will call this a 1.87 RR, which means risk to reward. So he's gaining 1.87 times whatever he is risking. Now let's scroll down, and I want to go back to 2022. So as you can see, the month of December, he did 2.37%. Now let's check out the performance for 2023, and this is going to be really exciting because that 400% must have been made during 2023, considering it is the only year currently that had a full 12-month span of letting the bot run, because clearly 2022 was only 1 month, and then 2024, we're only in Q2 right now. So this is going to be really exciting to see these numbers. All right, so January of 2023, he did a total of 27.84%, that is. February, he did 12.64%. March, he did 26.29%. April, he did 16.78%. May, he did 8%. Guys, do you see these numbers? This is actually quite insane. And then also, not only do you see the numbers, have we even seen a losing month yet? All right, back to the months. June, he did 11.8%. July, 19.26%. August, 4.34%. September, 6.68%. October, 9.13%. November, 5.92%. December, 8.79%. Now let's check current year, which is 2024, and let's see how well we've done. Bit of a slower start here. As you can see, last year, he started the year really hot with the biggest month yet, 27%. That is absolutely wild. All right, back to 2024. Starting off the year, he did 3.56%. Then he did 2.27%, 2.21%, 6.79% for April. And then so far in May, it's the 13th of while I'm recording this, and he's done 1.13%. The most interesting thing of all of this is every single month he saw a profit. There was not a single losing month. I don't know an asset on earth that doesn't have a losing month. So that's more shocking to me than anything else. I cannot believe how well this thing has performed. Again, I haven't been running mine that long for the account that I'm tracking. But to see something running this long and there's been no losses is absolutely insane. Now, if you found value out of this, maybe I'll start tracking his account as well alongside my own personal account with more caution on the risk side. Of course, in my other account that I'm tracking, this one, clearly he knows what he's doing, and maybe I should add this into the series. Leave a comment if you guys would love to watch the performance of this software alongside my other one. And if you're interested in potentially licensing something just like this, hit the link down below and you'll be able to ask questions to see if this is a good fit for you. And if not, at least give me a like and or subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. And like always, my friends, peace.